So that's one thing. Chickens are they can be so entertaining. If you lack entertainment, just get you a few chickens, because I just felt one of these girls, I was bending over and they were up here pecking my butt. Hey guys, Jules here. Happy week to you guys. I just wanted to share a little bit of something that I'm doing over with the chickens today. But before I do that, I wanted to share something kind of pretty and cool looking in the garden. Won't do a full garden tour with you today, but just wanted to share this because I'm thinking that I don't know how long it'll last. It might last a good while, but I wanted to show it to you really quick. So this is the sunflower stalk. That is one sunflower stalk, and it is attracting so many butterflies. And it has, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. It has 13, 14 sunflowers on there. 14. That is so cool. And look at the butterflies. They just absolutely love it. So cool. Just thought I'd share that with you guys. And then we got this little one here coming up. So I just wanted to share with you guys what I'm doing today. So we started out with the chickens. We started out with just a regular waterer and feeder. And so decided we wanted to go with something bigger that would last us a bit longer so that we don't have to change it so often, less work for us, But it turns out that the chickens do not like the waterer we got them. So we're back to square one with the plain chicken waterer anyway. The feeder's working out good, but the waterer, we're back to the plain and simple waterer because they will not drink from the other one. So I'm going to show you real quick. A full garden tour, but like I said, I wanted to show you this. This is a sucker that I had planted. Actually, Johnny accidentally planted it. And y'all, that thing is doing good. None of the other suckers are doing very well at all, but this one is doing great. Take you back here to the chickens. We're getting about 4 eggs a day now. Fixing to check and see if we got any more in there. Nope, looks like it's gonna be 4 unless they lay late. But every time I come in here, they flip out and want to see what I'm doing with their eggs in their nest. They had not a garden tour, but these sunflowers near the in front of the coop are doing really good, getting tall. Hopefully they'll be just like that other one. They think that I have them a snack, so they're kind of flipping out a little bit. Show you what I'm talking about. It's about time to put some more shavings in here. We're doing the deep litter method. See what they're doing? They're digging and all that they're supposed to be doing. Look, she's pulling my string on my boots. They are finding my string on my boots very entertaining right now. I probably should have tucked them in. Girl, do you like my string? Look, she's gonna take off. She's gonna take off with it. Oh my goodness, that is so funny. Y'all, what are you doing? Is that fun? I need to put them some toys in here. Definitely, they are bored. They're bored. They think, oh, I know, they think it's a worm. And they're trying to get it. So that's what they would probably do to a snake if it got in here now. I'm gonna have to tuck those in. This is their waterer. See how it's just full of junk. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna eventually get a bigger one. That's just the traditional waterer like that. But for now, we're gonna go ahead and refill it, clean it, refill it, and we're gonna hang it where this other one is. This is the one they do not like. So they don't like this. This is the one where you hit the bottom and water comes out. They just don't like it. They'll do it a little bit, especially watching me here. See, watch. Now she'll do it just because I just did it, probably. Because they forgot. They forgot they can get water that way. Look, right here. Look, get you some water. But, you know, anyway, so we're fixing to replace this one. This one was nice to hold water and keep it fresh because it's the blue color. But they hate it. And if they're not drinking it, it's just, we end up pouring that out. It goes bad. Hey guys. Hey Kenny. Say hey to everybody. Hey. Hey Big Red. Let's look at Big Red. Oh, sorry girl. Look how big he is. And like I said, he's very active. We're fixing to witness a deed here if we're not careful. He thinks I'm one of the girls. He proved it the other day. He tried to jump on my leg. Hey, Big Red. Look how gnarly he looks. Look at his face. I feel one of them pecking my butt over there. They're so fun, though, y'all. So that's one thing. Chickens are they can be so entertaining. If you lack entertainment, just get you a few chickens. Because I just felt one of these girls, I was bending over and they were up here pecking my butt. So, anyway, I love chickens. I love what they bring to the table, and I love how entertaining they are. So, this water's really hot, so I'm not going to fill it up first. I'm going to clean it and use this hot water that's been sitting out in the heat. So that's what I'm gonna do. Still hot. Still hot. Still hot. Still hot. It's still hot. Still hot. Still hot. Water is still hot. That's how long it stays hot, or that's how long the hose is. Water is still hot. Still hot, still hot. Still hot, guys. Crazy. Still hot. I think this might be like a 50-foot, maybe be a 100-foot hose, but either way, it's taking a long time for the water to come to a cold. There it goes. Starting to cool off now. And I usually add apple cider vinegar, but just for sake of time, I'm not going to on this batch, but tomorrow I will. So I managed to get it at least up off the ground. I might get Johnny to redo it when he feels better. He's actually down with his stomach at the moment. So when he feels better, I may go ahead and get him to do it for me. Hopefully that's not too low for him. We'll see how it goes. Because the water is a bit higher. So I'm not sure. But I was able to take the dish out of here, so now they can play in that dirt. Hey girl. Hey girl. I bet you're not laying yet. But she's definitely laying. That's our dark girl. She's the one that's different than all of them. And then she's different because she's light. That one right there. So. Big Red. Hey Big Red. Yeah. Let's see. Will they drink it? They drink it on the ground, so I don't really see why they won't drink it right there. So anyway, there you have it. Waterer off the ground. I am going to raise it a little bit. I might even just go ahead and take it down, raise it. But anyway, so if you want some free entertainment, you don't even have to pay except for a little bit of feed, but they actually will pay for that with their eggs. So chickens are definitely the way to go. I absolutely love them. It's one of my favorite things to do is raise chickens, honestly. It's absolutely therapeutic and brings joy. This was a short video, but I'm gonna get back in there to Johnny, and I'm actually gonna raise that up just a little higher, and then I'm gonna go back in there, spend some more time with Johnny. So you girls and guys, say goodbye, and we will see you on the next one. If you're still breathing, there is still hope. Don't give up.